Alright, welcome to Crypto Vesting. Before we get into this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. So now if you're into buying crypto and probably you bought some coin on your favorite exchange and you don't know how much you bought or how much you're making or how much you're losing, well, here's what to do. Head over to Coinmarketcap, right click over here, go to Portfolio, and you just say, if you already have a few coins listed, you could just click add new, but if you don't have anything there, you could just click here and create a new portfolio. Let's say for instance now we're going to call this crypto vesting portfolio. Create. So switch over and add a new coin. Let's say you bought let's say Shiba. Search. Now let's say you bought Shiba for you you have let's say you bought Shiba at, let's say, $10 and you got about, let's say, 700,000 quantity to show you the amount that you spent. So let's change it over to 750,000. Let's call it 850,000 units, about $10.2. So if there were fees charged, you could just select it there and type the amount of fee, whether 0.2 or whatever, and you continue. And you could add note that I wish to take profit at, let's say, when Shiba hits 0.000, or let's say 2 zeros, let's say 5, and you're not safe. So now you can see all the total amount you spent, which is $11.24, and the note is there. So whenever it hits that point, you just go over and see what's happening, and the note will be there to serve as a reminder. So you now click add transaction, and that's it. Voila, it's right over here on your main scene. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.